Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious mulligatawny soup, packed with flavour and budget friendly. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I'll be using 2 celery sticks that I've washed and I'll chop into fine cubes. And next I'll chop 2 medium-sized carrots that I've just washed, no need to peel. And I'll roughly slice 1 medium-sized onion. And I'll dice up 2 sweet potatoes. Got 2 tablespoons of oil, nice and hot, and I'll fry all of the vegetables for 10 minutes until they're soft and lightly brown. I'll also go in with 2 cloves of chopped garlic. After 10 minutes of cooking, the vegetables are soft and lightly browned. I've peeled and chopped 1 eating apple and I'll add that to the pot. Next I'll go in with 2½ tablespoons of curry paste. I'll give that a good stir in and let it cook out for a couple of minutes. And in goes a tablespoon of tomato paste. And I'll stir in a heaped tablespoon of mango chutney. I've crumbled up 1 vegetable stock cube and added 1 litre of boiling water, and I'll pour that in. I'll turn the heat up until it comes to a boil and then lower to a simmer and cook with the lid on for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I've washed 100 grams of white basmati rice that I'll boil in salted water. After 30 minutes, I'll remove the soup from the heat. And I'll blend till smooth. And I'll stir in the cooked rice. I'll adjust the seasoning and add a touch of ground black pepper before serving. Of course, I could get a thinner consistency by adding more hot water or stock, but personally, I do love a thick soup. And there it is, simple, comforting mulligatawny soup. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share, leave me a comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.